Good morning and welcome back to the channel Travels with Shane. I'm Shane. Thank you for stopping by. It has always been a dream of mine to come to Croatia, and today that dream comes true. We're in the coastal city of Dubrovnik. So if you've seen the channel before, you'll know nothing's planned. Let's go and explore. Okay, so initial thoughts on Dubrovnik. I haven't been here for very long, but initially I'm thinking very clean. The weather's really strange today. It's not so sunny, but it's really warm and humid. Feels really hot without being sunny. Beautiful buildings looking out over the port area and the sea. Hold on, let's see. Obviously we will make more observations as we walk around the city, but it's looking good so far. And listen guys, while you're here, you might as well hit that subscribe button because, sure, why not? You're here now, you might as well stay. And just to remind you, in case you haven't been following along, I'm currently on a cruise and we've just got off our cruise ship in Dubrovnik port. Go and check out my other videos for the cruise and all the little stops we've made as well while you're here. And I'll also be remiss of me not to mention Facebook, Instagram, all that stuff. Links down below. As we approach the old town, look at some of the scenery. It is absolutely to die for. I really hope it comes across on the video just how beautiful this place is. It's like something from a fairy tale. To note, if you're coming from a cruise ship and you want to walk into the old town, it's around 4 kilometers. So it's not a terrible walk, but the taxis from the port to the old town, it's a €20 flat fare according to the signs. If you're walking, it's kind of like a long uphill and then a short downhill into the old city, but conversely then when you're going back to the port, a little bit of an uphill and then you have a nice downhill all the way to the port. So it's just something worth remembering if you arrive to the cruise port. First activity for us today, we are taking the cable car. We are hopefully going all the way up there somewhere. So the cable car has cost us €30 per person round trip, so to come up and to go back down. Are you asking me if it's worth it? Look at these views, it's absolutely stunning, totally worth every penny. So guys, let me know in the comments below, did any of you watch Game of Thrones? I'm sure there's lots of you that did. Did you know that some of it was shot here in Dubrovnik in the old town? In a little while we're going to be going to see one of the locations. I'll give you a little hint as to which one it is. It's a shame I haven't been here before. Shame. Can you guess where it is? So once you're at the top of the hill, mountain, whatever you want to call it, there's a beautiful bar where you can get a drink or something to eat. Be warned, it's on the expensive side. Especially if you're used to a cruise where you don't have to pay for your dinner and lunch. But it is beautiful, the views are amazing, so maybe you might feel it's worth it for that perfect Instagram moment. What an amazing experience that was on the cable car. But as promised now, we are heading towards the old town. It's a beautiful old town. Dubrovnik is without question one of the most beautiful places I've ever had the privilege to visit. Definitely within my top 3 countries ever. This place definitely doesn't need any commentary from me. So here we are, as promised, those famous steps from Game of Thrones. It's just a little bit busier than it was during the show. Or maybe it wasn't. There was a lot of people, wasn't there? Shame, shame, shame. It's actually quite interesting. Obviously I know not everywhere in the city was used for shooting the show, but as you walk around between all the old buildings and stuff, you feel like it could really have been in the show. It could have been, the entire city could have been the set. So it is with a heavy heart that I must say our day in Dubrovnik has come to an end. It's time for us to head back to our cruise ship. I really hope you've enjoyed having a little walk around with me around the old town of Dubrovnik. Please subscribe to the channel, it would mean the world to me. It helps me continue to do what I'm doing. Let me know in the comments below what you liked, what you didn't like as usual, and how we can make the next one even better. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.